Okay, everybody, I'm gonna tell you how much I really love on Nerf Battle Racer. I haven't gotten anything to go in there, and I didn't put any stickers on or anything. But what I did do is I just left it like this because I just like the black and orange. It looks really cool. Yeah, so got the neutral foot brakes, and remember I left this on because it makes the brakes stop better. Got the Nerf logo there, and it's really cool.